Have you ever wondered where the mass of an atom is concentrated and why an atom is electrically neutral in the body? Having said that, there are the subatomic particles that are proton and electron that can carry negative charge, but still atom is neutral in the nature. So in this short video, we will explore the nature of the atom in terms of its mass and charge neutrality. So let's take a start. So atom is a balanced equation. Why it is so balanced? Why it is electrically neutral in nature? That can only be happens when their charged body can carry the charge of the same magnitude but with the opposite signs. That's why they can just cancel out each other. For example, here you can see the charge of the proton is plus 1.60 into 10 raised to power minus 19 column, while the charge of the electron is minus 1.60 into 10 raised to power minus 19 column. That means they both have the same magnitude but with the opposite signs. Just they can cancel out each other effect, and you will see an atom as an electrically neutral body, because the other subatomic particle is the neutron that can carry no charge. Now we can see where the mass of an atom is concentrated. Here the mass of the proton is basically proton and neutron both is 1.60 into 10 raised to power minus 19, while the mass of the electron is 9.14 into 10 raised to power minus 28. So minus 24 is much larger than that of minus 28. So that means all the mass of an atom is due to the proton and neutron, and where the neutron and proton can lie, they can lie inside the nucleus. So all the mass of an atom is due to the proton and neutron that can lie inside the nucleus. So you can say all the mass of an atom is concentrated inside the nucleus. So nucleus is basically heavy dense region, while the electrons are present around the nucleus carrying no kind of the weight. So mass of an atom is due to the mass of the nucleus that can carry proton and the neutron. Now what's the atomic number? Atomic number is basically the number of the proton that can act as a fingerprint for the identification for the atom. And what is atomic mass? Atomic mass is also called as a mass number. That is basically the sum of the masses of the proton and the neutron, because all the mass of an atom is actually due to the proton and neutron. Electron has no any significant role. So let's practice. This is the carbon atom. You can see the atomic number is 6. That means number of proton are 6. In a neutral atom, number of proton is exactly equal to the number of electron, so its electron are also 6. Here the mass number is given. Mass number is basically the sum of the proton and the neutron. So 12 minus 6 is neutron has 6 charges. So atomic number 6, atomic mass 12, charge 0. So this is the practice example. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the